included in your syllabus. Okay, so thiazide diuretics are fused heterocyclic compounds. So two 6-member rings are fused to one another. One is phenyl ring and second is heterocyclic ring. I must take annotation. Yes. So, and that second heterocyclic ring is consisting of sulfur, nitrogen and nitrogen. Okay. If you want to construct the structure of chlorothiazide, which is the first compound, chlorothiazide, then that type of compound is consisting of unsaturation. Okay, unsaturation at 1, 2, 3, 4 position. Okay, 3, 4 position. So I will insert nitrogen. We are having nitrogen like this, and here we are having SO2 groups where sulfur is present in a cycle. So sulfur, it is present in a cycle. I will put sulfur first. Yes. Now if I am wrong anywhere, you can indicate. So this is the basic nucleus of thiazides. Is this correct? Hello, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Basic nucleus of what it is called?
Diazine.
Okay. So this is the nucleus. Now we should start numbering from sulfur. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In chlorothiazide nucleus, they are also called as thiazides. Okay, thiazides. So 6th position of this nucleus is substituted by chlorine and we get a compound chlorothiazide. Okay, there is one thing missing now. What is that missing thing? And that should come from the compound which is called as
Sulfonamide group.
yes. At what position? At what
7.
position? 7th position. Yes, very good. It should be present because this nucleus, phenyl ring substituted at 1 and 3rd position by sulfonamide group. That nucleus has come from compounds like dichlorophenamide, which is an carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Okay, so that is retained and that is very essential for the activity. Yes, then sulfur. And 2 oxygens, SO2, and finally NH2. Yes. So this is chlorothiazide. What it is? Chlor, CHLOR, chlorothiazide. This compound is called as chlorothiazide.
सर
Yes.
इसका जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर था थायाजाइड डायरेटिक्स का वो बेंजोथायाजेपिन के से आएगा सर, क्योंकि बेंजोथायाजेपिन मतलब 3 मतलब 7 मेंबर रिंग स्ट्रक्चर होता है.
Benzothiazine. What it will be?
Benzothiazine, sir.
Benzothiazide.
Diazine.
Benzothiazide. Very good. It is benzothiazide. So always you should be alert. It is very correct. Whenever it is pin, then it is a 7-member ring. Okay. So it is benzothiazide. So it is benzothiazide. That is very correct. Now this is the first structure, chlorothiazide. Then it should be converted. Now the second compound, which is very similar, and it is having just one change, and that compound is called as hydrochlorothiazide, which is saturated version of chlorothiazide. Yes, and where that saturation occurs? where I should go for saturation so that the compound can become hydrochlorothiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide. And that saturation is present at this position. And it is hydrogen. Yes. If you add, now you can call it as an addition reaction because a double bond is added with hydrogen. One hydrogen is added at nitrogen and second hydrogen is added at carbon. Carbon number 3. Carbon number 3. So unsaturated portion gets saturated by addition and you get hydro. That's why it is called as hydrochlorothiazide. Yes, it is hydrochlorothiazide. Hydroflumethiazide. So flumetha actually that indicates flumetha. Yes. So where that substitution is present, can you remember from that chart yesterday's video? Trifluoromethyl group is present at 6th position. What is that? Trifluoromethyl group is present. Instead of chlorine, trifluoromethyl group is present, and that compound is called as hydro for here saturation, flumethiazide. Okay. 6. Now there is one more compound, cyclothiazide. And you can convert hydrochlorothiazide to cyclothiazide. The things are same, but the carbon number 3 in this case is substituted. You have to verify all the structures, okay? You verify all the structures. One cyclic ring is substituted, which is having a bridge, of 1 carbon. So 6-member cycle having a bridge. Let's try to construct that bridge. Yes, and 1 double bond. Yes, and this compound is called as cyclothiazide. And this type of ring structure, which is bridge, okay, bridge, this portion is called as, this residue is called as norborine, okay, norborine, okay. So it is norborine substitution at position number 3. Chlorine is retained, you verify, okay, and you get a structure of cyclo, means some cyclic structure is substituted at some position and it is substituted at 3rd position. So this is the structure of cyclothiazide. Yes. So cyclothiazide, chlorothiazide, hydrochlorothiazide, hydroflumethiazide, all these compounds act by blocking sodium chloride symporter. Okay, it is not an exchanger, symporter. In which part of tubule?
Distal convoluted tubule.
Yes, in distal convoluted tubule.